First of all, we have to log in on eHRMS. So let's log in. We have logged in on eHRMS from the upper side. To fill the retirement form, we have to click on the retirement tab. Our retirement form 6A has been opened. As explained in the description, there are some auto-populated fields which will come from the profile. These are the auto-populated fields which are non-editable. If you want to make changes in the profile and get it approved by your Nodal. Commute portion of pension. If we click on yes here, the maximum percentage of commuted value is 40%. So we will click on yes in our case. There is one more option. Whether judicial proceedings are pending, we can select yes or no. We will select no in our case. If you have worked anywhere in security or intelligence organization. So you can select yes and put the organization's name and post, and you can define the duration of your work. We will select no in our case. There is an option here, nationality. You will have to select Indian. There is an option here, wish to receive PPO through HOO. There is an option of yes or no. We will select yes in our case. If all your details are correct, you can fill and submit, as mentioned earlier in the video. Whatever address you have filled in your profile, it will be auto-populated here as it is. If you want to make any changes in the address, please go to the profile and update the address. Approve that request with Nodal and then fill the form here. From the first step, whatever address I have here is correct. Save as draft. Okay, third step comes bank details. There is an option here, type of account. Now, here is a joint account. Former or survivor with the spouse. Joint account either or survivor with spouse or single. Okay, in our case, we are using former or survivor. Here you will have to enter the account number, which will be written in your passbook, and you will have to enter the same account number. Confirm the account number. As you can see here, here is the bank name. You select the bank name, Canara Bank. All the IFSC codes of Canara banks will be displayed here. You just have to enter a few digits. Like you can see here, it has come in the suggestion. As soon as you select it, the branch address will automatically be auto-populated here. Here you have an option, signature of upload, and here you have to upload the signature, less than 70 kilobytes. Here is another option for photograph upload. You have to upload the joint photograph with spouse. This is also below 70 kilobytes. Here's another option of employee PAN card image. Here you have to upload the employee PAN card. That is also below 70 kilobytes. And by checking the details of your spouse's date of birth, by checking the identification mark, you can draft the savings. If all my details are correct, I will click Save as Draft. After that, as explained earlier, whatever you will fill in the family details, it will be displayed here. If you want to do any correction in any family details, then you can correct it by going to Add Family Member section in the profile. As all my details are correct, I will click Save as Draft. After that, there is an option, Co-authorization. So by default, the spouse is eligible for co-authorization. And after that, there is a second option, children. If your children are permanently disabled, you can co-authorize them here. In our case, we are selecting the spouse. So here it is by default. If you can put your children, there will be an option in yes. You can put your identification mark and PAN card. You can save the draft. Here I will co-authorize the spouse and save draft. After the fifth step, we have to fill the details in the sixth step. This will also be auto-fetched from our add family member. And there are some documents that have to be submitted, like photograph and signature of spouse. I have already uploaded that. I am saving the draft. Let's see the case of mentally disabled child. Our child was disabled. In this case, we need to add the guardian details. So we have to add whatever details have to be added. It has to be added in the add family member section. Make sure to check there once. If you have filled the details correctly there, it will be auto populated. Here our details are correct. Okay, save as draft. Like you have to do declarations. So whatever declaration you have here, as per your understanding, you can select checkbox here. By selecting here, you can save as draft. In my case, I have selected this. In your case, enter the details. As per your understanding, you can select. Here comes an option, nominations. To fill the nominations, first of all, you need to go to your service record. There is an option in the service record, nominations. Okay, you can also go from the form. Here is an option on the form, update nominations. So you can also click from here. Here you can add 5 types of nominations. This is the commuted value. Types of nominations are gratuity, CGEIS, GPF, commuted value of pension, and arrears of pension. Here I have nominated 2 family members. You can also add from here nominee and alternate nomination. Here are my nominations. Let's get back to nomination form. And if you want to see any status like you will submit by e-signing, then here you will get submitted to the nodal. So if you want to see your form status, then you can log in here and check here on 10th step. You can click details here. Our form is filled, so we will e-sign it. Here we have to enter our Aadhaar number. After that, when you will click get OTP, then your phone number linked with Aadhaar will receive an OTP. Here you have to enter the OTP, so let's e-sign.